Hi, Blue Roomers. Happy Friday. The sad thing about today is that it's raining again. It's rained a lot, but I keep reminding myself that April showers will bring May flowers. It's a rhyme. Showers, flowers. And hopefully, when May starts, which is actually it's today, that maybe it'll start to get warmer and sunnier and the flowers can grow and bloom. But it is Friday, and on Friday we always do Science Friday. So I wanted to do an experiment with you today. And it's something that you can do at home with your family. Now, you know that we have veins inside of our body. If you look at your wrist, you can see the purpley or blue veins. And those are inside of our body to carry the blood around. And inside the blood is where the vitamins go and the nutrients go from the food we eat and from the water we drink. And it travels all around our body and carries all of that good stuff to keep our bodies healthy. And we need food and water to live. Well, so do plants. Trees and flowers and vegetable plants and bushes, they all need the same things that we need. They need sun. We also need sun too. And they need food and they need water. But do they have veins to carry all those nutrients and vitamins and things all around their bodies to keep them healthy? Well, the answer is yes, they do have veins. If you look at a leaf on its underside, you can see all the veins. And there are veins running inside the trunks of trees and inside the stems of plants, going all the way to the leaves to bring the food and water. So a fun experiment to see those veins and to see how it works is to do this. If you have some celery with the tops on top, that means the leaves still attached, you can do this experiment. So what I'm going to show you is up close. If you look really close, you can see the veins in the leaves. And if you do this experiment, you'll be able to see the pretend food and water that we're going to give it. You can see where it goes. It travels. So with Mom and Dad's help, break off a stalk of celery. Now, at the bottom, it's kind of all closed off. And just like when you get a scrape or a cut, and when it's healing, it gets a scab and then it closes back up again. Well, that's kind of like when you break off a piece of celery or take it out of the ground, or it's been sitting for a while, it closes up just like our boo-boos do. So you need to have Mom and Dad help you with a knife, cut the end off so that it's fresh. And I'm going to hold it up close. You might even be able to see tiny little holes. Those are the veins. Now, you're going to need some cups. I'm using some plastic ones, but you can use glass ones too if you don't have plastic cups. You can use anything you want that can hold liquid. So, you take a cup or a glass and you fill it with water about halfway, maybe that works. And then you pick a color. You have to have food coloring. I'm going to do blue because we're the Blue Roomers. And you squeeze some in. Let's count. Let's see how many we're going to put in. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You want it to be pretty strong so that you can see the experiment better. Then you take your celery and you put it in the water, just like that. And in time, usually it takes a couple of days, you will start to see the blue traveling through the veins of the celery all the way to the tippy top of the leaves, because the blue will show through. It will actually dye the leaves the color that you've chosen. So let me show you. I did this experiment the other day, and just so I can show you what it will look like. Here's one that I did. Can you guess what color I used? I used red. And look at my leaves. If you look closely, you will see the leaves have all turned that color red. And my celery also has little red skinny stripes because the red water traveled through the veins of the celery all the way to the tips of the leaves. And if you want to try more than one and have different colors, you could even do some color mixing. This one, I mixed 2 colors. And the colors I mixed were blue and red. Do you remember what color you get when you mix blue and red? If you guessed purple, you were right. I'm going to hold it up close. It's a kind of a dark purple. But what's cool about it is you can see purple stripes kind of in the celery. Even in here, I can see the purple stripes. And the tips of the leaves are turning a very dark purple. So that, boys and girls, is our lesson today about how food and water can feed not only us, but plants as well. And they need food and water and sunshine to do what they do. And so that we can have all these wonderful vegetables and fruits to eat, nature has to do its thing. And they're just like us. They need the same things to live like we do. So I hope you have fun with this experiment at home. And maybe you could send me some pictures through email with Mom and Dad's help of your experiment. Try different colors. Try orange. You can try green, but make it dark because the celery is already a light green, and you'll have to make it pretty dark for it to show dark green in the veins. All right, boys and girls, that's all for today. Bye.